What kind of laptop is this, Gordon?
This, Adam, is the recently brand new updated Omen 15. It's an existing design, but there's a lot of big differences. I'm unplugging the power. Let's go through what you already know. Cool things, ports on back so they don't get in the way of your mouse. I like that. You get your little drop down for your Ethernet NIC.
I love it.
You got all your cooling. Inside is a 67 watt battery, a 2.5 inch drive bay, an M.2 slot for either an SSD, or if you want to go Optane with hard drive, you can do that too. I'd probably do the SSD and hard drive myself. Big difference, what's inside?
What's inside here?
I can't tell you, that's the big thing. Core i7-8750H, 16 gigs DDR4, graphics card, I don't know. We're told next generation NVIDIA graphics, obviously. You get to guess. 200 watt power supply, so you're gonna guess whatever video card is in this laptop is gonna be similar to what you got out of a GTX 1060. So hopefully we'll unwrap this in 2019 and we'll find out what's actually in it. But here's the other big different thing with this laptop. You play Counter-Strike, you are such a gaming badass, you have twitch reflexes like a 13-year-old. 60 hertz is not going to cut it.
No, no way.
Inside the Omen 15 is a 240 hertz G-Sync panel.
What,
TN,
really?
of course.
Wow.
But yeah, 240 hertz 1080p, which means if you have the reflexes of that 13-year-old wannabe Counter-Strike champion, 240 is going to work for you. Old people like me, it won't make any difference, but you know what? Old people like me, we like to buy LeBron sneakers too because we think it'll make us better. So, big thing, unknown mystery GPU, probably similar to a GTX 1060 in power, and a 240 hertz panel for those twitch reflexes that we know you have. Starts at 1369, no, not 1337. I'm told they did research and they found out that 1369 is the new 1337. So
oh, perfect.
Look for it this year, 2019, and let's find out what GPU's in here.
Cool.